Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 11.2 question number 3. A cube is a three-dimensional figure as shown in figure 11.11. It has six faces and all of them are identical squares. The length of an edge of a cube is given by L. Find the formula for the total length of the edges of a cube. Right. Here we will find the total edge of the cube. Total length total length of the edges of a cube is equal to how many edges are there in a cube? There are 12 edges, right? In a cube, there are 12 edges. If we count them, right here is you count 1, 2, 3, 4, right? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12, right? Then actually there are 12 edges of a cube, right? Therefore, we can write or add 12L, that is L plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10 plus 11 plus 12. There is sum of all the sides, right? Therefore, it comes to 12L, where 12 is the constant and L is the length of the edge of a cube. And we know that in a cube all the edges are of equal length. Therefore, total length of the edges of the cube is equal to 12L.